As the sole Quanex facility in Indiana, the Richmond plant stands as a testament to the company's commitment to excellence and innovation, and is a key player in Quanex's North American fenestration division, delivering high-quality building components to customers across North America. Plant manager Ed Claypoole and the Richmond team have been the primary producers of adjustable threshold units for Quanex since they became a part of the company in 2000, with the capability to create over 1,300 different threshold profiles. Today, the Richmond plant fills their 115,000 square foot facility with a team of 74 who work together to generate $35 million in revenue annually. With threshold and astragal manufacturing, the hybrid plant plays a pivotal role in completing Quanex's window and door product portfolio, and has recently added screen door assembly to their expanding list of capabilities. The Richmond plant ships over 1.5 million thresholds, over 20,000 custom screen doors, and around 35,000 astragals across the country every year. This output is possible due to the efforts of the people that work there and the true team atmosphere that has been created. Every employee in Richmond has an understanding of their goals and the systems that have been put in place to achieve them, like embracing lean manufacturing, mastering single-piece flow, and controlling what they can control.
We are primarily a lean manufacturing company, so we specialize in single-piece flow. Thought that was a good thing to do and implemented it in this plant. We've had about a 200% increase in production since the beginning of lean manufacturing. We've been doing screen doors for about 2 years now, and then that's also single-piece flow for us. It's something else that we worked really hard on to get that right. So we've increased production in the screen door area by about 30% since we've had it here.
The plant is constantly looking for new ways to improve, including growing into automation. The Richmond engineering staff already works closely with their maintenance team to design almost all of their equipment in-house. The Richmond team is also looking into new value streams and are even working on an all-new threshold design. In Richmond, they not only excel in efficiency, but also safety, proven by being over 8 years with no lost time incident and being over 550 days injury-free. One of the many reasons the plant uses to bring in lunch for the team any chance they get, with the salaried staff even serving food for the hourly team to help show their appreciation. The competitive environment in Richmond is not only limited to the production goals, but has spilled into the plant's fantasy football league, one of the many ways the team gets a chance to have some fun and connect outside of work.
Anybody that knows me has probably already heard me say sweep right. So sweep right is something that we do here in Richmond, Indiana. So this is our play call. We know what direction that we're supposed to go in. Everybody knows what their role is in that play. My role is just to coach that. And if you got a lot of good players around you, it kind of makes my job pretty easy. I've been the plant manager for 10 years, and this is the best team that we've ever had in this location. So it's kind of fun to be able to come to work every day and know that you've got such a strong team around that can take care of business.
The Richmond plant shows that when everyone pulls in the same direction, as part of a team, great things can happen for everyone at Quanex.
In Richmond, Indiana, we are a part of something bigger.